So you're scrolling through YouTube or TikTok, watching people talk about making money online, but you're sitting there thinking, I don't have any skills. I'm not a designer, I'm not a coder, I'm not even sure what I'm good at. Let me stop you right there. In 2025, the game has changed. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know where the opportunities are and how to use the tools already available. Fiverr is one of the best places to get started because it allows anyone to start offering services and getting paid, even if you've never freelanced a day in your life. Let's start with one of the simplest gigs out there: background removal. Businesses, influencers, and content creators constantly need clean product images, profile photos, thumbnails, you name it. With tools like remove.bg, all you have to do is upload the photo, and the tool removes the background in one click. You download the result and send it to your client. That's it. You can do this in your spare time, and once you get faster at it, you can offer bulk background removals and charge more. Now, maybe design's not your thing, so here's another one: social media caption writing. Brands, small businesses, and influencers are always looking for fresh captions for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and they don't have time to sit and write them. If you can speak in a tone that matches their vibe, phony, professional, sassy, motivational, then you can sell caption packages like 10 captions for $20, 30 captions for $50, and so on. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to help brainstorm or polish your ideas, and you can scale this fast. And here's the cool part: you're not just giving them words. You're giving them engagement, and that's something they're willing to pay for. Let's say you're more of a visual person. Try mock-up creation. There are sites like Placeit where you just upload a design, and it automatically applies it to shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, even phone screens or laptops. You're not creating the design, you're just placing it onto a realistic image that looks ready for an online store or social media post. Designers, small clothing brands, and Etsy sellers pay for this service because it saves them time. Some people don't even make designs themselves. They just buy or download free templates and use them to create mock-ups on Fiverr. It's completely beginner-friendly. Now let's get into something unique that's been growing in demand: virtual companionship. This one sounds weird to some people at first, but hear me out. There are people around the world who just want someone to talk to, no flirting, no weird stuff, just someone to chat with, laugh with, vent to, or even play games online. If you're a good listener, friendly, and easy to talk to, you can actually earn real money just by being available for conversation. Some people offer texting only, others offer voice calls or even video chats. And this isn't just random. You can list it on Fiverr as a virtual friend or chat buddy, and people will book your time. It's all about being present, respectful, and reliable. And finally, one of the most slept on opportunities: voiceover gigs. You do not need a fancy mic. You don't need a Hollywood voice. What people want today are authentic voices. YouTubers, TikTok creators, small businesses, they're all looking for someone to narrate their content in a casual, relatable tone. If you can speak clearly, read naturally, and edit basic audio, you're in. Start with your phone and a quiet,